Life will present its rhythm, just dance with it when it's your time. Hello and welcome back to our channel where we teach you how to improve your financial situation. Today, we're going to talk about how to give yourself a free pay raise with your W-2 or W-9 income job without asking your boss. Yes, you heard that right. This is going to be an exciting video, so make sure you stick around until the end. But before we jump into the details, let me introduce myself. My name is Dion and I'm a financial consultant who runs an in-home business that teaches people how to live on 100% of their income. And today, I'm going to teach you a trick that's going to help you increase your income. So, let's get started. First, you need to understand how your taxes work. If you're a W-2 or W-9 employee, you're required to fill out a W-4 form when you start a new job. This form helps your employer determine how much tax to withhold from your paycheck each pay period. The more allowances you claim on your W-4, the less tax your employer will withhold from your paycheck. Now, here's where the trick comes in. If you have an in-home business that teaches people how to live on 100% of their income, you can claim more allowances on your W-4 form. Why? Because you're going to be able to reduce your taxable income by deducting business expenses, such as office supplies, internet bills, and even a portion of your rent or mortgage. This means that you're going to pay less tax on your income, which results in more take-home pay. And voila! You've just given yourself a free pay raise without asking your boss. But wait, there's more. If you're married and your spouse has a job, you can coordinate your W-4 forms to maximize your combined take-home pay. This is called the married, but withhold at the higher single rate strategy. It's a simple but effective strategy that allows you to claim more allowances on your W-4 form and get more take-home pay. Now, I know you might be thinking, but won't I owe taxes at the end of the year if I claim too many allowances? The answer is yes, you might owe some taxes. But if you're disciplined enough to save a portion of your extra income throughout the year, you can use that money to pay any taxes owed. And that's it. That's how you can give yourself a free pay raise with your W-2 or W-9 income job without asking your boss. Of course, I highly recommend that you join us on a live Zoom call to learn how to use the IRS estimator to add your correct allowances and credits, which will get your household returns you have never seen or heard of. Then consult with a tax professional to make sure you're doing everything correctly. But if you follow these simple steps, you'll be able to keep more of your hard-earned money and use it to achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video or Zoom Monday, Wednesday, Friday 6 p.m. MST.